Today we're going to be making golden milk, which is a delicious recipe that can be enjoyed either hot or cold. We love to make recipes off of our intuition, and we encourage you to do the same. But if you do want guidelines, we've included an approximation in the notes below. We love to use organic, fair trade, local, and raw as well if possible. So the main ingredient in golden milk is the cashews. Makes it super creamy. We soak these overnight in live spring water. So what makes golden milk is this magical guy, turmeric. So we really encourage you to use the raw, fresh turmeric if possible because it's not oxidized and fresher. But if that's not available in your location, it's absolutely okay to use the powder. And then we also included a little fresh chunk of ginger, and you're going to want to do just a dash of black pepper to activate the curcumin in the turmeric. We're also going to put in a little cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg. We have a beautiful whole pod right here, some cardamom. We actually took the cardamom seeds out of the pod, and as you can see, there's about a teaspoon in there. So we also use Happy Bee local honey, a little bit of coconut oil, some vanilla bean powder, and a pinch of sea salt. Next, you're going to add all your ingredients to the blender and fill to the top with fresh live spring water. Once your ingredients are mixed in the blender, you can pour it into your storage container. We like to use the 1 gallon glass globes and then keep it chilled in the refrigerator. If you like, you can also heat it up